Today, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in two different models of Intermatic Wall Timers. I have this older one and also a slightly newer one that I'll show you later in the video. And that's because they both take different types of batteries. As you know, the LCD display will have a low battery indicator when the batteries need to be replaced. To do this, flip open the main cover. Then I'll use a micro screwdriver to help wedge out the battery tray. If you have strong fingernails, that'll work too. This switch is my older one, and it uses CR2 batteries like the one I have here. It's not really a common size, so I've listed this in the description so it's easy for you to find. The positive side is facing the front of the battery tray, and replacing the battery is pretty straightforward. Then just slip the battery tray back into the timer. This one is done, but I'm going to show you a different Intermatic timer I have in another room. This one is definitely showing a low battery status. And as you know, when the battery is low, the timer stops functioning. Changing the battery on this timer is similar to the first one, except you can see that the battery tray looks slightly different. Again, I'll use a screwdriver to pop out the battery holder. The difference is that this one uses small button batteries. And from the times I've done this before, you can see that I've marked the negative and positive sides for easy identification. Here, it helps to use a screwdriver or toothpick to pop out the small batteries. This Intermatic timer uses LR44 button cells. I'll also list these in the description so you know where to get them. On this battery holder, the negative terminal faces up. The enclosure has a little fin on top so you know which end you're working with. And that's helpful because they've made it so the battery holder can only slide back in the timer in one way. But once it's in, you may or may not have to reset the clock depending on how long the batteries have been dead. But it looks like that's what I'm going to have to do here. And that's basically how you change the batteries on two different models of Intermatic Wall Timers. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.